been another week here. We've got a hodgepodge of video stuff to show you where we're finalizing, fixing everything. Kind of last minute rumble to get it done. Just jumping back and forth here and there.
We got 4 days, people.
4 days left until Moyie. So we finally got the link finished up, the winch line bent around, some clamps on it, everything rolled up. We had our local logger friend, Mr. Maggie, come out. He's used to hauling some big iron, and he's got a real nice wide doughboy. Loaded me up this morning and took me out to the Moyie Fall Bog. So we're set with that one, and we've got Finley pretty much finished up. We decided to take him up and do a little test running at a local event that we like to go to all the time. It's super awesome. It's North Idaho Mud and Crawl. It's a lot of fun, good family-friendly event, and Megan can maybe describe some of the work she did with her car and how the test run went.
So yeah, we took up Finley to NIMAC this weekend and got him a little test time. Held together pretty well, ran him around quite a bit over a few little bumps, nothing serious. He kind of caught the stinger on the log jam coming off of it, and I might have torn the bumper off because my welds might suck a little bit, but I'm going to fix that. It's not a big problem. And I lost a lift block for our body lift, but I've got a spare, so we'll fix that too.
Yep, you'll see a hodgepodge of video where we're just finishing up and kind of rushing through everything. And you'll notice that we left out certain individuals like Alan Thompson. He babysat Mortis for me overnight while I left him down by the highway, and he also gave me a really awesome shifter knob that we're going to be installing here pretty soon. That'll be a total video on its own. P.S. We do need to get rid of him, so highest bidder. Alright, so now we got the winch into the car. I managed to spool up about 100 feet of 5/8 wire, and we've moved on pulling this link out. We got it out last night. Now I need to make a timing mark down the top of it, cut it apart and shorten it up, because somewhere in my immense mathematical knowledge I left out a decimal and made it just a hair too long or something. And that's what's been causing a whole shitload of U-joint bind. We've clearanced and clearanced and clearanced, and now it's time to just shorten the length. Since it come out surprisingly easy, shortening it should be just a simple matter of cutting it off right here, sliding it apart, looking at it, cutting a little bit out, slipping it back together and welding it up. And that's what we're hoping for. Let's see if we can't fix that. So now I've scribed in my timing marks along the top here with a file, and then come over it with a chalk line for shits and giggles so I can find it a little easier. And traced a little line around it right here where it's going to be skinny wheeled off. And this is actually the most brilliant portion of my shop so far I've been able to work out. This is where I actually take the camera away from her and film while the girls do it and I sit there and drink. That's been working the best for me so far. Try it in your own shop. Alright, so it's Friday, yeah, Friday. back here. We're fucking with shit. It's semi-daylight still. We finally got the third link back in place. We shortened it 3 inches. And the rear end's tipped back quite a bit, which hopefully will prevent a whole lot of binding on this rear U-joint and help out with that front one when I articulate fully. I think it's welded. We'll see. And there's some zip tying to be done yet with the air lines for the front and rear air cams. We also got to trim off the winch line and put a hook on it. So let's go see what we got there. Alright. So we got the winch line spooled up on there, and about as much as I think I can handle without it starting to bind up or drag. And I want to cut it off about right here. A lot of times I'll use a torch and just melt it off slowly, and it's kind of like melting a nylon line where it won't fray out on you, but I don't want to spool it back out. My hoses won't come out to here. I'm pretty fucking lazy that way. I'm going to just skinny wheel it off and then take a couple of these here clamps, which I found at the junkyard. See if those won't hold the hook, which I found at said junkyard. So, yeah, good luck. That'll be the fun part. That's you. Shut it down.
So we're moving the big guy down to the sitters for the evening so that he can hook his ride in the morning on the low boy to Moyie for this coming weekend. Thanks to Alan Thompson for allowing us to park him down there and keep an eye on him for us. We appreciate that. So yeah, he'll spend the night down there with Alan and get on his ride in the morning and off to Moyie for the weekend.
That's the end of this episode. Don't forget to tune in next Monday for another edition of the Shifty Shop and the shit we've been cobbling.
Why don't you come with me, Cyber Geek, on a magic
Fucking warm air going that way. Normally we want the heat blowing out the back, but I'm cold. I want to turn the switch around, make the heat fucking blow inside. Does that make sense? I'm making the fan blow that way instead of fucking outside.
Oh, I wasn't even recording. I'm probably good. Oh. So we're gonna move this out of the way. This right here. He's gonna move it out of the way. We're not gonna.
Don't film.
So we can get this on the trailer. So we gotta go get the truck and trailer. So she's gonna get all this shit out of the way. A little bit. Sometimes that happens at the shop. Most times. We just spare y'all from it most times. No, I'm lying, we don't really. Check us out, we've even got headlights! That over there, and make it go over there backwards. Backwards.
Backwards, but you can pull it frontwards and then back the trailer frontwards.
Right.
All you gotta do is just pull it forwards.
That's all we gotta do, is just pull it forwards right over there, and then over there, and then we have the car on it.
Back it up to the shop or pull it out here on the road and load up on the road.
That would probably be easier, huh?
Yeah, whatever.
I would probably damage less of your shit that way.
Let's see how well you do in the dark.
Yeah, I don't know if I have reverse lights.
Why don't you just pull the truck and trailer down the driveway and then pull the car right out of the shop?
Well, the car is backwards right now, and I don't want to back it on the trailer. So, actually, if I can back the car out, back it over by Bugsy, turn it around, put the truck and trailer right here, and just don't go very far in the driveway, right?
Right?
Right? I can do this shit. Let's do it. I can't see where the fuck I'm going.
Still hooked to the trailer, right?
Yeah.
Surely it's still hooked to the trailer.
It's hooked to the trailer. Okay. So.
I'll give you a headlight.
I shall now show you my epic trailer backing skills. I have mad skills.
Ooh, just like a Ford. Yeah. Right on the anthill.
It's gonna be awesome!
Hey, here it is, folks. Her mad backing up skills. Oh yeah, she's doing awesome. Oh hell, she's got this.